Oh my goodness. I did not mean to put that much on. And we're done, but I just look ugly today. So, are we really done? It is currently 12:33 and homegirl is already dressed and ready. Okay, I'm tired of sitting like this. I'm already dressed and ready to go at 12:30. That does not happen to me like ever. I've not vlogged in such a long time. Well, no, I have vlogged, but I've deleted the vlogs because I just feel like they're not interesting, and I feel like who really wants to see what I'm doing? But at the end of the day, I kind of also do it for myself. I like seeing what I'm doing and like looking back on it. Like a couple days ago, I was looking at my old college videos and I was like, I actually miss college. When I like the work part, but like I miss like hanging out with like my college friends all the time. Now my college friends live not in Raleigh, but it was just so much fun looking at those videos. So it reminded me of that is why I do this, because I like looking back on all my content. It made me sad, but I like having it. So that's why I told myself I'm vlogging, I'm getting back on my grind, I'm filming a little monthly reset because it's already April in a couple of days. Like it's the 26th. April is when? Wait, how many days is it in March? 30, 31, 29. I want to say April's like Wednesday. Let's see if it's on Wednesday when I edit this video. But I'm gonna say it's on Wednesday. So yeah, I'm just gonna be filming like a little reset, getting my life in order, talking about like my goals, like what I want to accomplish this year. Well, not this year. What in the world? I feel like I've been drinking when I haven't been drinking. Like my head is moving 99 miles per minute right now. And I don't know why. What was I even saying? I don't know. But anyways, I need to go to Walmart. I'm going to be running some errands, getting some stuff done. I have some editing that I've been holding off on this video for probably like 3 weeks. I have a video they need to film that I filmed twice already, and I hated the way that turned out. I'm going to be doing that. I worked out last night. I worked out at like 1 in the morning. I don't know. I'm a late night workout girl. Yeah, I worked out at like 1 in the morning, did a little like at home workout. Let me just say, I am sore, but I feel so good and I really want to do it again tonight. So hold me to it that I do it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy today's video. I'm just ranting on because that's like the type of mood I'm in for the day. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I already said that. Subscribe, and that's all I got. It goes off every hour and every half hour, but it's a few minutes off. Yeah, my grandma wanted a talking clock, so we got ourselves a talking clock. So I ate breakfast at like 10-ish, but I feel like I'm gonna be hungry soon. So we're gonna have a little snack. These rice cakes, I just used the Quaker's caramel. So good. Ain't she beautiful? I think with it, I'll probably just eat some fruit. Honestly, these are not sweet at all, but I'm gonna eat them anyways. Which basket should we choose? I don't know either. This is colorful. I want one. I bet I could make that. That was rude. I think I could do a great job. Hey guys, so I just got back home and I'm going to show you guys what I got from the store. I only went to TJ Maxx and Walmart. Didn't really get anything necessary, but one thing that I got is another shower cap. So this is 2 shower caps. I don't know why, but like our shower caps always get like messed up. So it's got 2 of these and they were only $3.99. So it's got these colors. Super cute. And then I got this like workout pullover top. If you guys know me, you know I love wearing these. It low-key looks a little big, but it's a New Balance, and I didn't even know they made New Balance styled shirts like this. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, I want to try it on because I want to see if it fits. So let's do that. Okay, I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have a lot of these shirts. I wear them all to work, but I never have a red one. Well, I don't have a red one. This looks good. I love how like tight fitted it is. Yeah, I'm excited. I like this. This is what I'm wearing Monday. I already decided. I love this top. Yeah, it's super cute. So that's all that I got from TJ Maxx, and the other stuff came from Walmart. So I just got some more soap. I just use basic bar soap. My body is so sensitive. Ooh, my body's so sensitive. I cannot use like a lot of scented soaps or lotions, stuff like that. So I just use this. It's a classic, and honestly I got 6 of these because I take 2 showers a day and this runs out quickly. So I just got that, and then I'm going to be trying out a new skincare acne care routine. So I was impulsed by, is that the right word? I was influenced by Carter Sullivan. She is a Canadian YouTuber, lifestyle, and she recommended CeraVe. So I didn't get the exact one that she used. I think she uses the foaming one, and I looked this up, and this actually said it's good for oily skin, and I don't have oily skin, but I think it should still do the trick. But I used to use CeraVe, not the acne one, but this is a new one. So it's their acne control cleanser, and then I just have their resurfacing retinoid serum. So I'm gonna start. Oh, this is cute. Tiny, well, tiny, but yeah, so I'm going to start using this on my skin and see if I can clear up my acne. Like, I used to have terrible forehead acne. That now is pretty clear. Now I just need to work on my cheeks. But yeah, so that's pretty much all that I got. Yeah, I'm going to start editing a video. I took some Instagram pictures. I took it on the roof of like this hospital, like the roof of the garage. It was so windy. Like, insert picture here. It's so embarrassing. So I'm going to edit that, edit my YouTube so I can get a video up, and then get ready for March Madness because Duke is playing Arkansas and I have Duke winning. So let's do that because the game starts at 8 something. Good morning. It is the next day. Wow, I look very not pretty today. But it's like almost 1 o'clock. I'm not putting makeup on today. I'm just going to be doing my skincare and getting out the door. My nails are stained. So this is what my nails look like. If you can you tell? Let's see. Can you tell that they're like stained? I don't know. I'll see if I can like find a picture that I took of my nails. But yeah, my nails are stained, and they're stained from my foundation that I wore. I mean, that's not why I'm not putting them on, but I'm just like really annoyed. I found out yesterday, like late last night while I was watching the game. Oh yeah, I watched the game last night. Duke won. Love that. But yeah, so I found out my nails were stained, and this is like completely abnormal. Like, I've gotten white nails so many times. Like, white nails is my thing. I always have white nails on. I always have foundation on, and my nails have never stained from my foundation. So I don't know like what I did yesterday when I put my makeup on to make them stained, because this is what they looked like when I got them done, and this is what they look like now. So I was very annoyed last night, and then I thought about it, and I was like, you know what, there's no reason for me to be this annoyed. Like, it's just nails. Like, there's more bigger things to worry about than my nail situation. So I got out of that mood. But now I have like a little bit of time before I get them done again. Probably like 2 weeks. I mean, I could get them done earlier, but it's not the end of the world. Like, they don't look terrible. They just look off-white. And no one should be looking at my hands this much. Anyways. Oh yeah, I'm just putting on my Poly Hydration face cream. So like, once I found out my nails were looking like that, I was scrubbing my nails so hard with soap and water. So now my nails, well, now my hands are like so dry. It's ridiculous, but it's whatever. So yeah, tried my new skincare last night and I think I like it. I mean, I know it's like too early to tell. Like, I literally just used it last night and this morning, but first impressions are really good. So I might document this moment and see what my skin looks like later, because like, I have acne, but it's not like textured. It's like smooth acne. I don't know what type of acne that is, but it's not like raised pimples, if that's called a thing. But yeah, that's what it is. Flowers, seeds. That been $3. So I've not posted a video literally all of March. Or no, wait, I think I posted like one video in March, but I just have not been posting much at all. And I feel so disappointed in myself for not doing it, but I don't feel motivated. I feel like sometimes I go in these phases where I feel like I'm putting so much work into it, but I'm not getting anything in return. And I need to like get out of that mindset, because I'm not really doing it for other people. I'm doing it for myself. And like, I know that I like posting videos, I like making content. So like, why care what other people think, or why care about like how successful it is? So I'm trying to get out of that mindset, and I definitely, like, I took a little bit of a break. It was very like unintentional, but I'm actually ready to get back on my grind and posting consistently. I do still have my blank schedule. And my battery dies. Flip that. So yeah, I was posting every Wednesday and Sunday at around like 12:30, something like that. And honestly, is this one dead too? Okay, no, it's not. And so like, I'm kind of thinking about going back to that schedule. I was also thinking about just doing once a week. I don't really know. I think I'm gonna like commit to, of course, being once a week, probably every Sunday, and then those days that I can get another video up, I will. I kind of want to do a lot more vlogs. I've kind of taken a little shift from doing too many vlogs and like a lot more like sit down videos that people want to see, but at the end of the day, that's not really what I want to see. So I need to be more intentional and do things that I want to do. So I'm going to be like adjusting my monthly goals a little bit, and hopefully April is a great month. I'm so excited. I feel like this year is just going by so freaking fast, and it's almost summer. That is insane to think about. Like, I cannot believe it. I have a lot of doctor's appointments coming up. I have the dentist, I have the eye doctor, and going to the eye doctor is like a whole separate issue for me, and I have a lot coming up.